Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video we are going to connect the multiverse address here. So when you click on this place, you click on this. Remember that you are supposed to click on this link. When you click on it, it's going to bring you to this platform. It's going to bring you here. Now this is where you click confirm and then you proceed. So when you find yourself here, we are asked to sign up on Sunwave and get Sunwave app from this page. Go to the setting and copy the verification. So let's go to Sunwave. So when you open your Sunwave app, you just have to go to the setting. Let's go to the setting. You click on the setting, the icon here, then you copy the verification code. Oh, sorry, let's go back. So this is the verification code. You copy it, you copy this verification code, then you go back to the verification tablet. You click on this place and then you paste it. Now we have pasted the verification code. All we have to do is just click mark. You can see we are done with that one. Now they are asking us to sign up to Confluent app. All these app they are listed, that is listed here, they are all ICE blockchain airdrop app. So we'll still go back to the Confluent app. We are going to still copy the verification code and we'll come back here and we'll paste it here. So when you open your Confluent app, you click on the setting again. You click on the setting. The same method we are going to use. Click on the setting, then you click on verification. You copy this verification and then we go back again to this place and then we'll paste it here. And the next one will come. This is the seal send app. The same method, we'll go to seal send ad, we'll copy the link and come back. So when we open the seal send ad, we'll go to the setting again. Go to the setting again. The same method, you click on the setting, you copy the referral code, you copy it, and then we go back to the app and we paste it here. Guys, this thing is very simple. You paste it here, then you click on mark and then wait for the next one. The next one is the mayor app. That is the app that is launched. This app is launched, they launched this app on the 25th of November. So we'll still go and copy the link and come back here, we'll paste it here, we continue. So when you open your mayor app, this is the Timon. You click on the setting again. Let's go to the setting, click on setting, then you click on verification code, then you copy, and then we go back to the verification, we'll paste it here, then mark complete. So now we can see we have completed all this process, and then we'll click on verify. Then we'll wait for some seconds for it to verify. So guys, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel so that when next I post another video, you get a notification. So we are waiting for this verification. You can see tap to end verification pass. You have successfully passed your tap to end verification and you can move on to the next step. So we are done with that. We click on continue. Now this step now is another step. This one you can see successfully pass this and this. Enter below your xPortal URL. So verify your profile. So this particular one now, I'm going to copy this, then I will post it online, then I'll copy the code back and I'll paste it. I will show you the process. So guys, we need to copy this. You copy this from here and then you go to your X, you click on the post. We're going to post it. Remember, we're asked to post. We are going to post what we have copied. Okay, got it. So we are going to paste it here and then we post it. You're going to post it. So when you post it, you go back, you go to your profile. So you can see we have posted it. You go to your profile, you click on profile. So guys, make sure you follow me on Twitter as well, so that you'll be getting the latest crypto updates. So we go to your profile, you click on the share button. So we are going to copy the link, and then we go back to the verification page, and then we paste it here. So that's the link. There you click on mark. So the same method we are going to use for other ones as well. This one, follow us on X account from here, and follow us with the same account you verify your profile. So let's click here. We're still going to follow them on X. So you click on this. So you can see I'm already following them on X. So there is no need for that. So you just follow those methods step by step. So the next ones are, you just click on here. It will direct you to your X. You open it. You can see I'm already following all of them on there. Then you go back, you click on the back button, and then you click on mark step. Then the next one too, you click on here. You go again. I'm already following them. You go back, click on mark. Then the next one as well, you click on here. Then you go on. I'm already following him. This is the founder of ICE blockchain. So we click back, and then you click on mark. Then you verify. You wait for some seconds, and it will verify. So these tasks are very simple. Just you follow the simple steps, and before you know it, you are done with it. So this video is actually taking a long time because of this process. So you just have to make sure you watch the video carefully, so that you can be able to do your verification. Remember that without this verification, you will not receive your token. So make sure you follow this process, and at the end of the day, you receive your token. So guys, after we did that verification, you can see they say we did not get it properly. So they say we should enter our X URL. So enter below your X post URL. So after we entered it, they say we did not get it properly. So we are still going to do it again. So we are still going to do it again. So guys, after the check-ins, you can see we have successfully passed the verification process. So the next one we need to do now is to continue. You click on continue. Now this one is the Telegram verification. So we are still going to verify our Telegram account. So let's follow the instructions, and so verify your user. Please write your Telegram username. So you write your Telegram username, and then you click on mark step as complete. Then join us on Telegram, join ION on Telegram, join MetaMask on Telegram, then you verify it. So guys, this is where you can get your Telegram username. This is my Telegram username here. So I'm going to copy it. You copy it, and then you go back and you paste it there. Then when you come back here, you just have to paste it here. This is my username. You mark complete. Then move over to the next one. Join us on Telegram, which I have done before. I've done that before, but let's still do it again. So you just have to be patient and calm. Make sure you follow in the process, so that you will not make mistake at the end of the day. So once you are done with the Telegram verification, you click on verify, and then you wait for some seconds and see if you pass the test. So once you have completed this test, there's another test again that we need to do. So if you have completed all these steps, I'm going to show you the app you will download. So you can see we have passed the Telegram verification. We'll continue again. Now this is the CoinMarketCap verification. CoinMarketCap verification. So if you don't have CoinMarketCap in your phone, you need to go to Play Store and download the CoinMarketCap app, install it in your phone, and then you can come and start completing this airdrop. So when you click on here, you can see they say add iOS to your watch list. I've already done that before, but I'm still going to show you how you do it. CoinMarketCap, this is it. Make sure you download this app from Play Store. Then I'll open it from this link. So that's the process. You can see this is ICE. Remember that ICE is the blockchain that most of these airdrops are going to be launched. So that is why you have to do this verification. This verification is very, very important. You can see it's already on my watch list. You can see this star here. See this star. See this star. So it means that this coin is on my watch list. So I will just go back. So I think I've done that already. So this is where I am. So you can see follow ION on CoinMarketCap. I have done that. So the next one is comment on CoinMarketCap. Open. So we are going to click on here and then we'll check the post and then we comment. We are going to comment something on the post. I've told you where you can get this app. Go to your Play Store, type CoinMarketCap. You will see this app. You can download it and then you come and do the verification. So let's wait for the post. We are going to comment on that particular post. So when you click on that link, you may not actually see the post. All you just have to do is to come to your search menu. You search for, these are some of the coins that I've searched before. So we'll search for ICE open network. This is ICE open network. You can see it at the top side. This is ICE open network. So we'll go down. We are going to go down. Now you can see where we can add comment. This is the comment section. This is where you can add comment. So we has to do with we are going to write something that has to do with ICE and ADA, which is the Cardano. So this is my write-up. ICE and ADA, simply the best. So I'm going to post it. I'm going to post it. So you can see I have posted it here. ICE and ADA, simply the best. So you can see other people comment here. So these are people that are also doing their verification. So we'll go back to the app and read the instruction again. You can see enter comment link here. So we are going to go and copy the comment link and we are going to paste it here. You click on this three dots. See these three dots here, you click on it. When you click on this three dots, you copy the link and then you go back to the app and then you paste it here. This is the comment link. You click on mark complete, then you verify. So let's wait for the verification. So it's not going to take time. You can see that this video is one of my longest video I've ever done because of these processes. That is one thing about ICE blockchain. They don't just give their token to non-individual. They make sure they give it to the authentic individual. So you can see I have passed my CMC verification. So I go to the next place. Now this is the final place, token distribution address. You are now eligible for token distribution. You can enter your own personal address below. We highly recommend using the xPortal app or use of any MetaVax compatible wallet. So we are going to go to Play Store. We are going to download the xPortal app. We'll download this app and then we'll create our wallet and then we'll copy our wallet address and we'll come back here and we'll post it here. So when you come to your Play Store, just click on xPortal. You click on search. This is the app here. This is the app, xPortal Crypto and DeFi Wallet. So we are going to download this app. I've already downloaded it. I've created my account. So just open it. This is the xPortal app. This is the recommended wallet that your token will be distributed on. So make sure you download this wallet, because that is the only wallet you can use to receive your Doctorx airdrop. Without this wallet, you cannot be able to receive your Doctorx airdrop. So when you open your wallet, this is how it will be. You click on, when you are done with your registration, this is how your wallet will be. Now I'm going to copy the wallet address. I'm going to show you where the wallet address is. This is the wallet address down here. You copy, you click on copy. You can see I've copied my wallet address. I've copied it. Then I'll go back to the verification page. This is the verification page. Then I'll paste my copied wallet address here. Then I click on continue. So this is the final stage. Like I said, after this stage, we are done with the verification. You can see, congratulations, you have successfully completed all the steps and set your wallet for the token distribution. So guys, this is the final stage. Make sure you follow the step by step. You can see the video is a bit long. I have to make sure I explain to you guys so that you can follow the process and complete your verification. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe so that when next I post another video, you get a notification.